For visiting friends and family, your lawn is probably the first thing they'll notice when they pull up to your place. Take pride in it this season with 5 of our favorite tips for keeping it green. Determining what type of grass you have will inform how you take care of it. Are you working with a cool season grass like Kentucky bluegrass or a warm season grass like St. Augustine? If you're not sure, check out LawnStar. They provide a top-notch index of grass. When left unattended, weeds can do some serious damage to your yard. Common irritants like crabgrass and dandelions will zap nutrients from the soil and leave you high and dry. We suggest opting for eco-friendly solutions like vinegar to solve this problem. And if all else fails, you can always resort to pulling weeds up by the roots. Japanese beetles will turn those healthy green blades of grass yellow, and moles will go to town on your roots. The main thing to note here is to be careful of overwatering, since the softer soil makes it more attractive to invaders. Blades of grass that are too short will not absorb enough water or nutrition from the soil. A good rule of thumb is to never trim more than about 1/3 of your lawn's height at any given time. I know it sounds fancy, but aerating your lawn just means poking tiny holes in it. Those tiny holes, or aerations, allow for more water and nutrients to reach the roots. If you want to drop some serious dough, you can invest in a spike aerator machine that looks like this and costs around $500. Or, for much less, you can grab a pair of shoe aerators and terrify your neighbors. Be sure to drop a comment below with your tips for maintaining a healthy lawn. And stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.